Right now, so look at the girl again.
Yeah, 5 months a day, that's about me, you buy single, you see me buy try hustling a girl, you know what I mean?
But you gotta try to get her.
Yeah, but you see, but just want to take it slow, you know what I mean? Want to run into no relationship thing, and, like, you know what I mean? Just so.
Yeah, but it's hard with the but now to get a girl, you know.
Yeah, what you seen, how them girls going on nowadays, yeah? Last year, the day going on, thing, if anything, you could go and walk somewhere, chill out, you know, and beat yourself there after a long time, a long while, long. Yeah, what you? See what's going on, man?
No man, he knocked me.
Who's the man?
He's around the corner. Come on, I'ma show you.
Let me go down.
Look, he's there. Look, he's there.
Come here, come here. Will you knock me sister for
Why
bye?
me
Will you
knock
knock me
you,
sister
boy?
for bye? Why will
me,
you knock me? Will you knock me sister
me,
for bye,
boy?
yo? You know me, why will you knock me sister for
It's
bye?
not this one.
Why will you
It's
knock
that
me?
one. What is this? What is this now?